If you're trying to figure out how to plan your week with a task management system and you want a simple method that actually works, you're in the right place. I've tested the most popular apps out there, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear weekly planning routine you can follow using any modern task management tool. Stick around because I'll also tell you how to get an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using, only available through this channel. Let's dive in. Start by setting aside 15 minutes every Sunday or Monday morning. Open your task management system. This can be any app you like, but if you want to follow along, I've linked an exclusive trial of the software I recommend in the description. First, brain dump. Write down everything that's on your mind. Personal, work, errands, ideas. Don't overthink it, just get it all out. Next, process your list. Go through each item and ask yourself, is this something I actually need to do this week? If not, either defer it to next week or mark it as someday. Only keep tasks that matter now. Then assign each remaining task a due date. Spread them across your week. Think like a project manager. Don't overload any one day. Aim for 3-5 key tasks per day. Less if they're big. Use categories or tags to group related tasks. Work, personal, admin, deep work, whatever fits your style. This helps you stay in flow when knocking out similar items. Now time block your calendar. Drag and drop your tasks into time slots. If your software supports this, great. If not, do it manually on your calendar. Treat these blocks like appointments. Throughout the week, check your daily view every morning. It should already be set up from your plan. If something new comes in, add it to your inbox or backlog, not your daily view. Protect your plan. At the end of each day, do a quick review. Mark completed tasks, reschedule what you didn't finish, and prep tomorrow's plan. This 5-minute habit keeps you in control and avoids overwhelm. And if you ever feel like the week's getting away from you, pause, review your priorities, and reassign what doesn't need to happen now. Flexibility is part of the system. Key takeaway: don't wing your week. When you plan ahead with a structured task management system, you reduce stress, get more done, and actually enjoy your week. Quick recap: brain dump everything. Filter and prioritize. Assign due dates. Use categories. Time block your calendar. Stick to your daily view. Review each evening. Stay flexible. If you want to follow along with the software I'm using, grab the exclusive free trial in the description. It's only available through this channel, and it's a great way to get started fast. Thanks for watching. Now go plan your week like a pro.